Okay, this morning guys, we're going to be shooting the Glaser Safety Slug Glaser Blue. This is the one that's rated, it is ideally suited for lighter clothing and warmer climates. This is the blue. They do make a silver or a gray. This is for over penetration, you don't have to worry about it. Reduced ricochet, maximum stopping power, lighter recoil for faster follow-up shots. This is a hardball polymer tip with a light jacket, and it has a compressed core of number 12 shot. So this is Corbon's Personal Defense Safety Slug Glaser Blue, and I will flip it over and let you guys look at the back of this package also. Hang on one second. Okay guys, as you can see on the back of the package here, it states right there that the Glaser Blue penetrates 5 to 7 inches in calibrated gel per IWBA protocol. As you guys know, I use 4 layers of denim. I get this question a lot. Why do I use 4 layers of denim? Well, it's an IWBA protocol for testing. It's not that people run around with 4 layers of denim on, it's because it's a protocol used by the IWBA. That's the only reason I use 4 layers. The FBI used to use 4 layers, now they use what they call heavy clothing. So we're gonna shoot this today per IWBA protocol in the gel, and it is the compressed number 12 shot. Be right back. Well, I had some jump to it. Let's go check this out. Okay guys, you can see point of entry right there. Looks like it was just instantaneous opening up. Let's see what kind of view I can get for you guys here. See the discoloration, massive expansion right there. Probably looking at 2 inches across. And then it goes on down. Let me grab the ruler, show you guys what kind of penetration we got here. Looks like we're going right down to front edge, right at about 7 3/4. So let me get that dug up out of there so you guys can take a better look at that. Okay guys, you can see where that 145 grain Glaser went in. Just instantly opened up, just grenaded right off the bat. You can see you got the polymer all over the place. Just tore the denim right up. It just blew the denim up along with everything else. You got shot everywhere. You go on down, you can still see the polymers leading. Looks like some of that's compressed into the polymer right there. Looks like it held on to its jacket. We got one little piece of jacket back there at about the 1 3/4 mark that came off. But it looks like the jacket pretty much flattened out. We got the polymer tip. And look at all of that shot right there. Stuck in with that polymer. It just fused together from the impact and the explosion. Right there. That's a lot of damage. Look at that shock wave that it made. I mean, that's just a lot. That's it, right at the 2-inch mark. You can see from there to there, that's damn near 3 inches shockwave, and that's just massive. You guys can just see where that just came apart, tore up down in there. I mean, it's just tore up all over the place. Massive shockwave. You go on over to the other side of this, same thing. You can see where there's that one piece of jacket that came off, and that's right at about 1.5 inches, 1 3/4. See some of the polymer came apart, and you just have shot everywhere. And there's another piece of that jacket. So almost 8 inches penetration, 145 grain plus P Glaser Safety Slug Blue. Massive, massive results. I cut this pretty thin so you guys could see how that went through the gel there. You can see that massive wound track. Then it went on down to like 7 3/4. I already dug the bullet out right there, so what was left of it, you guys will see that at the end, but massive, massive right there. That's a lot of shock. You guys have a good one. Well, we were all just wondering what would happen with the Glaser Safety Slug at point blank range. Let's find out. Doesn't look good for the person that just got shot. Well, here's that Glaser Safety Slug at point blank range. You can see it went in and exploded. But believe it or not, we go on down, I got this all measured out here. Point blank range, polymer tip still fused with a bunch of the shot there, right at 10 inches, point blank range. Pretty wicked. You guys have a good one. Okay guys, let's see what one of these 145 grain plus P Glaser safety slugs do to old. Oh! I think that messed him up.